Naveen, read the value of A complement. Naveen,
Yes, ma'am.
read the value of A complement. That is A complement column.
I don't know.
It is 1. Then Naveen, Roshan, Jacob, read the value of A complement.
One.
Complete value, complete column values.
1, 1, 1,
Yes.
1, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay. Ranil, what is C complement?
1 0 1 0
1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So C it is 0. So just reverse of 0 it is 1. Then next value of C it is 1. So it is 0. Then 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay. Now Nate, what is B C complement? All of you switch on the video.
Ma'am, I find BC complement.
What now Nate?
I didn't find BC complement.
Why?
I found A plus BC complement.
Plus B C complement. Okay. Here you first find A plus B.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. John Philip, read B C complement.
0 0
0 0
1 0
1 0
0 0
0 0
1 0.
1 0. Okay. Is it correct, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anaga, read A complement, C complement. Anaga. John Jose, read A complement, C complement.
Ma'am, I couldn't join the first class. Network issue.
Okay, okay. Aman, read A complement, C complement.
First one 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1.
All one. Okay. G's, read the final answer. This is not the.
Ma'am, I said the final answer.
Okay. So what is A complement, C complement?
1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0.
1 0, all 0.
1 0 0. Third one 1.
Is it correct, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Rain, what is the final answer?
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Okay, okay. Roshan. Roshan.
One,
1.
0,
Mm. It is B C complement plus, oh, it is not final answer. It is just B C complement plus A complement C complement. After that, we can find out the final answer. Okay. B C complement plus A complement C complement. Okay, Renil, read the B C complement plus A complement C complement answer.
Not yet done, ma'am.
Pooja, your mic is okay.
Ma'am, I done A plus B C complement.
Okay, okay. Anyone is there who is writing this A B C complement plus A complement C complement? No.
Ma'am.
Okay. So it is A plus B C complement. Pooja, read A plus B C complement.
0, 0,
0 0
1, 0,
1 0
1, 1,
1 1
1, 1.
1 1. Okay. Then Roshan, read the final answer.
1,
1
1,
then that is A complement C complement plus A plus B C complement. That is the final answer. So you just add 1 plus 0. It is 1. 0 plus 0. What is 0 plus 0, Roshan?
0,
0. So here it is 0. Then what is 1 plus 1? It is again 1. 1
1.
plus 1 is 1 because we are adding two high values. So the final answer it is 1. Here we are adding 1 plus 0. It is just like our normal maths. So 1 plus 0 it is 1. 0 plus 0 it is 0. But here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means we are adding two high values. If you are adding two high value, the final result it is a high value, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 it is 1. Then what is 0 plus 0, Roshan?
0,
0. Then what is 0 plus 1?
1,
1. Then 0 plus 1 again?
1,
1. Then 0 plus 1? 1. 0
1.
plus 1? 1. Correct, Roshan. Is it clear, Jacob?
I didn't understand that A complement C complement. I was
A
not there last
complement.
class.
Okay, okay. A complement, C complement means first we have to find out this A complement. A complement means just reverse of A. That is 0. A complement it is 1. 1. A complement it is 0. So first you find out A complement. After that you find out C complement. That is just reverse of C. 0 complement it is 1. 1 complement it is 0, just like that. After that find out A complement dot C complement. That is 1 into 1 it is 1. 1 into 0 0. 1 into 1 1, just like that. Okay. Dia, the final answer is correct. Is there any change?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubt regarding this truth table evaluation?
And can't we add all three together?
What?
That's A plus B dot C. That three value, can't we add it together without
not-
doing separately?
Without doing separately, we can find
That
out the
last
answer. That
two column, without doing that.
without these two columns.
Yes. Last one.
You can find out. If it is possible, you can find out. but it is easy to calculate the intermediate results. Okay. So if there is any error, we can find out through that intermediate values. No, B, C complement, A complement, C complement. After that, it is based on the 0, 1 combination. No, that is the problem. If it is possible, you can find out the final answer. No problem. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So it is 1, 0, 1, 0, 4, 1. I'll give one more question, last question. It's based on F is equal to AB plus BC plus CD complement. AB plus BC plus CD complement E. F is equal to AB plus BC plus CD complement E. Now we need how many Boolean variables are here?
5.
5.
5.
Okay, okay, okay. So you just remove this E, only decode. Okay. How many possible values are there, Jacob, for this Boolean expression? Here we are using 4 Boolean variables. So we can use 2 raised to 4, that is 16 input possibilities. Okay. Renil, how we can write these 16 possible input values?
A, B, C, and B
What is
raised.
the name of that 16 input possible values?
Don't know.
3-bit table is there for 8 possible value. Then
4-bit table.
yes, correct. 4-bit table for 16 values. Okay. All of you switch on the video. Now we need to switch on the video.
Ma'am, today my internet is slow.
Okay, okay, okay. So if there is any problem like that, you just tell. So which are the column values? First it is A, then it is B, then C, then D is there. Then under this write the 4-bit table. How we can write 4-bit table? John, how we can write 4-bit table?
Ma'am, 0, 1 at 0, 1, 0, 1.
In which column?
D column.
Yes, D column 0, 1, 0, 1.
C column 0, 0, 1, 1.
0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, just like that. Then in B, it is
B column 4 zeros, 4 ones.
4, 0, 4, 1. Then
A column 8 zeros, 8 ones.
then 8 ones. Okay. Then next it is we have to find out this D complement. After that, AB is there, BC is there, CD complement is there. Then the final answer. You just add these 3 values. What, Rahul? Completed?
Can you show the board?
Yes, yes. A, B, C, D, 4 variables are there. Then after that, you have to find out D complement, then AB, then BC, CD complement, and find out the final result.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Niranjan completed? What is the final result, Niranjan?
Ma'am,
Okay.
0 0
0 0
1 0 0 0.
1 3 0
Yeah. 1
Okay.
1
1 1
double 0
0 0
1
1
0
0
and 4 1.
1, 1, 1. Okay. Diya completed? Okay. Amman completed? Vinayak, read the answer.
0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 4 1.
Is it correct, Diya? Pooja? Is it
Yes.
correct? Okay. Any doubt regarding this table evaluation, two table evaluation? Anyone? Alan?
No.
Okay. So two homework questions are there, okay?
Can you show the final answer?
This is the final answer. This 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 4 1.
Okay.
Okay. So our next topic it is precedence of operators. Okay. Write the heading precedence of Boolean operators. Precedence of Boolean operators. What is the meaning of precedence of Boolean operators? In one Boolean expression, which operator will perform first? That is precedence. Which operator got high priority? That is precedence. Okay. In this expression, plus is the, dot is the, complement is also there. Which operation will do first? That is precedence of operator, precedence of operation. So in Boolean operators, first preference is for not, or high priority is for not. Not is a unary operator. That's why the high priority in Boolean operators, it is not. After that it is and, then only or. So this is the precedence in Boolean operators. In Boolean operators, your expression is just like this. First perform not operation. That is, first you have to find out D complement. After that, you have to find out AND operation. That is AB, then BC, then CD complement. Then only you can find out this OR operation. So in the second or third question, some problem related with that priority. The answer is same, but the rule based on this priority is like this. High priority is for not, and then it is for AND, then it is for OR. This is the priority. So, okay. So precedence of operators, the first precedence is for not, and then it is for and, then it is for O. These are the precedents. Then rules for evaluating Boolean expression. Write the heading, rules for evaluating Boolean expression. There are some rules based on, we are doing just like that, but just write the rule, rules for evaluating Boolean expression. Evaluate the Boolean expression from left to right. Evaluate the Boolean expression from left to right. Evaluate the expression in parentheses first. If a term is represented within parentheses, it will first evaluate it. This from left to right. Evaluate the expression in parentheses first, then perform all not expression, perform all and expression, perform all or operation. X plus Y complement plus Z is a statement. We evaluate this expression from left to right. Then take the expression which is in brackets. So here, first there is a term with bracket. So take this expression first. Evaluate this expression first. After that, if there is a not operation, do the not operation first. After that, if there is and operation, then do the and operation. Then only you can do the or operation. Okay. These are some rules related with Boolean expression evaluation. We are doing just like that. I'm just explaining the terms. Okay. So next one, it is logic circuit. Is it completed? What happened, Dia? The next it is logic circuits. Close the DC port. Write the heading logic circuit. Write the definition. A logic circuit is the one. A logic circuit is the one which takes one or two inputs. A logic circuit is the one which takes one or more inputs, and generates an output. So logic circuit means it's a circuit that use one or more inputs and only one output. That is logic circuit. In logic circuit, you have any idea about this logic circuit? In physics, you are learning this logic circuit concept. I think so. So in logic circuit, we are using these Boolean operators. Okay. All the Boolean operators are performed like logic gates. Here we are called that Boolean operators as logical gates. Write the heading logic gates. So logic circuit means it's a combination of different logic gates. We are using 3 logic gates. So logic circuit means it's a combination of more than one this AND gate or gate or NOT gate. So logic circuit is a combination of different logic gates. Now we are discussing about different logic gates. There are mainly 3 logic gates. The first one it is NOT gate. The first logic gate it is NOT gate. What is NOT operation? Tom, what is NOT operation? Complementation. That is just reverse of the result. That is NOT operation. Same as a NOT gate. Okay. NOT gate is a single, it's a NOT operator is a unary operator, just like that. NOT gate is a single input gate. It is represented like this. This is the representation for NOT gate. Only one input is there. If the input is A, the output is A complement. We can write complement like this also. Or we can write A complement. Okay. So NOT gate, NOT operation is a unary, NOT operator is a unary operator. Just like that, NOT gate is a single input gate. We represent this NOT gate just like this. This is the representation for NOT gate. And in this NOT gate, only one input is there, A, and the output of A it is A complement. Okay. Then you write the truth table for this NOT gate. What is the truth table for NOT gate? First A is there. What is the output? It is A complement. Which are the input, John Joss?
0 and 1.
0 and 1, correct. Then what is the output? It is 1 and 0. This is a truth table for NOT gate. Same as NOT operator truth table. Okay. Same as NOT operator truth table. So the next one it is AND. AND operator is a binary operator. Just like that. AND gate. We are discussing about AND gate. AND gate also need minimum 2 inputs. Okay. AND gate representation is like this. Here A is there, B is there. The final answer, what is the operation in AND operator? Jewel?
Plus.
And
Multiplication.
yes, and it is multiplication. So what is the result here? Here it is A into B. Okay. So in AND gate is used for representing AND operation. Okay. It is based on electronic circuit. Logic circuit is based on electronic circuit. Okay. So we are representing this AND, NOT, and OR operation using some gates. So the first gate, it is NOT gate. NOT gate use only one input because it's a unary operator. NOR operator is a unary operator. So representing this NOR operator, we are using single input. So A is the input, the output it is A complement. We can represent either A bar or A complement like this. Okay. Then second one, it is AND gate. AND gate is used for representing binary AND operator. AND operator, the operation it is multiplication. So we are representing this AND operator using this symbol. Here we are using two inputs A and B. The output it is A dot B. The next it is no OR operator or OR gate. OR gate is used for representing OR operator. Okay. What is OR, John Philip? What is the operation? Or
Man.
or you are not here, John. Jacob, what is OR? Jacob, Johnny,
Yes, ma'am.
what is OR? OR operator.
M plus.
Yes, plus. Navneet, correct. Plus. So, OR operation it is plus. So, it is represented using a curved shape with this symbol. Here we are using two input, minimum two input, more input we can use three input or four input here. Minimum two input is needed for OR gate. So the two inputs are A and B. What is the output, Rahul? How we can write the output here? A
plus B.
A plus B, correct. Okay. I'll once again I will write all this one. So first one it is NOT. NOT gate, it is represented like this. Only one input is the A and the output it is A bar or A complement. The second one it is AND it is represented using two input and one output. Here A and B are two input. What is the output? It is A dot B because AND operator is for multiplication. So here the output it is A dot B. Then what about the last one? It is OR. OR it is represented using a curve shape A and B are the input. Then what is the output? It is A plus B. This is the output. So these are the basic logic gates that are used in logic circuit. So if we are constructing a circuit based on this AND, NOT, or operators, that is known as logic circuit. Okay. In these three basic gates are used for constructing logic circuits. Okay. So NOT operator use only one input, the output it is A complement. AND operator, it is for multiplication purposes, that is same as that of AND operator in Boolean. So AND gate is used for representing this AND operation. So we need minimum two input A and B, the final output it is A dot B. Then after that it is OR A, B, then the output it is A plus B. So here this one is okay, but you have some confusion based on the diagram of this AND and OR. Okay. for understanding the drawing section, I will give one simple idea, that is, in AND we are using D, isn't it? So draw AND gate just like D. You remember, if we are drawing that AND gate, in AND gate one D is there. Okay, so you write, you draw that AND gate just like D. Okay, so a simple technique. Then for OR, so, a curved shape is used for representing OR. So if there is a confusion between AND and OR, you just remember, for representing AND, we draw like D. Then the other one is OR. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. So these are the basic logic gates. Then Alan, which are the basic logic gates? Alan?
Not gate,
Okay.
AND gate, and OR gate.
Okay. Jacob, what is AND gate?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. How many inputs are there in AND gate?
2.
2. What is the output value of AND gate?
AB.
AB. How we can draw that AND gate?
D symbol.
Just like D. Okay, okay, okay. We have to draw a complicated logic circuits based on this AND, NOT, and OR. That's why I'm representing like this. Okay. Then John Philip, what is OR gate?
Ma'am, representation, right, ma'am?
No, what is OR gate?
Addition.
Addition. Then, which are the inputs used in OR gate?
Inputs. 2 inputs, right?
What, John?
I didn't answer the question. Inputs.
Inputs used in OR gate. How many inputs are there? Yes.
2 inputs.
2 inputs. Minimum 2 inputs are used in OR gate. That inputs are A and B. Or we can write X and Y. Then what is the final output, John?
A plus B.
A plus B. Okay. Aman, what is NOT?
Multiplication.
NOT?
Multiplication.
What, Aman?
Multiplication.
NOT. You just think about the meaning of NOT. What is NOT?
0, 1.
Ah.
I forgot the name.
Okay, okay. NOT. How we can represent NOT, Aman?
A by A. A by A. I forgot. Arrow.
How many inputs are there in NOT?
1.
1. Then what is the output? What is the input?
A.
A. Then what is the output?
Opposite of A.
Then how we can represent that opposite? Just like in AND we represent A plus B, in OR we represent A dot B, in OR we represent A plus B. Then how is NOT represented?
A complement.
A complement, correct. So we are discussing 3 basic gates, that is AND, OR, and NOT. Then some other gates are there. Based on these basic gates, we are constructing some other gates. NAND gate is there, NOR gate is there, XOR, XNOR, so many gates are there. We will discuss that gates in the next class, okay?